Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Chrome tabs grid view layout back to normal view on Android mobiles. Before 2 months ago I actually uploaded a video of this same topic. So if the trick in that video is not working for you, then just follow this method. Okay, so let's go. So as you can see here, currently my Chrome tabs in grid view. So to change it, just open a new tab and type chrome://flags. After that, just go to that URL. It will open a new window. From here, you can see a search flags option. So click that search bar and type tab space G. Now you can see 4 options available: tab grid layout, tab groups continuation, tab groups UI improvements. What you need to do is just click that default button and make it disabled. All 4 of them, make it disabled. So you can see currently all those 3 options are disabled. After that, click relaunch. Now if you check, it is still in grid view, but don't worry, all you have to do is just close the Chrome and open the Chrome again. Now if you check, you can see it is back to that old view layout. So I hope this is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next video.